In the ever-evolving world of content creation, choosing the best vlogging camera can make all the difference between mediocre and stunning videos. Whether you're a budding YouTuber looking to capture everyday moments or a seasoned creator seeking to elevate your production quality, the right camera can enhance your storytelling and engage your audience. This video dives deep into the top 5 best vlogging cameras available today, exploring their features, affordability, and usability to help you make an informed decision. Join us as we uncover the perfect tools to turn your creative vision into reality. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at yourpicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 APS-C. Looking for a top-tier camera? The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 delivers impressive quality and features designed for vloggers. Equipped with a large 24.2 megapixel APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor and a speedy Bions X processor, this mirrorless camera captures stunning images and movies. You'll appreciate the noticeable difference in clarity, especially when shooting in various light conditions. When it comes to video, the ZV-E10 shines bright. It captures 4K movies oversampled from 6K, giving you videos that are rich in detail. Full pixel readout eliminates pixel binning, resulting in smoother footage. This camera can take your content to the next level, no matter your skill level. One standout feature is the product showcase setting. It seamlessly transitions focus from your face to the product in hand, an essential perk for creators who want to highlight items. Meanwhile, the background defocus button allows you to beautify shots instantly, creating a professional-looking blur that emphasizes your subject. If you're into live streaming, this camera simplifies the process. A single USB cable connects to your computer. No extra hardware or software is necessary. Setting up feels like a breeze. While this camera is excellent, new users may need some time to familiarize themselves with its settings. Yet, with practice, you'll quickly navigate its offerings. After extensive use, I absolutely love the video quality and user-friendly features. It outshines many rivals in the market, making it a fantastic choice. Attention content creators, check out the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 to elevate your vlogging experience. Number 4. OM SYSTEM Olympus, ready to take your photography to the next level. The OM SYSTEM OLYMPUS M.Zuiko Digital ED 12-40mm f2.8 PRO2 is here to elevate your shots. This lens stands out for its robust features designed for serious photographers. First, the weather-sealed design allows you to shoot confidently in challenging conditions. Whether it's rain or dust, this lens keeps your gear protected. You can capture stunning images in all environments without worrying about the elements. Fluorine coating works wonders too. It repels water and dust, ensuring your lens remains clean and clear during shoots. You won't have to constantly wipe away smudges or dirt. This feature enhances clarity and makes post-processing easier, ultimately saving you time. The MF clutch is another highlight. It enables quick switches between manual and autofocus modes. This flexibility makes it easier to adapt to various shooting styles, perfect for both beginners and pros alike. Enjoy the control it gives you over your composition. One aspect to note is its compact size. Although it's small, it packs impressive power. Other similar lenses might feel bulkier, but this one strikes a great balance between portability and performance. It fits snugly in your bag while still delivering high-quality results. After extensive use, my favorite feature is its versatility. You can shoot wide landscapes or zoom in on details seamlessly. Whether capturing a family event or landscapes, this lens does it all exceptionally well. It redefines what you can expect from a zoom lens. For those seeking a dependable and versatile lens, this model shines. Dive into the world of photography with the OM SYSTEM Olympus M.Zuiko Digital ED 12-40mm f2.8 PRO2 and see the difference for yourself. Number 3. ZEISS Batis 85mm. Capturing stunning images just got easier with the ZEISS Batis 85mm f1.8 lens for Sony E-Mount mirrorless cameras. This versatile full-frame lens shines in any lighting situation, making it a perfect choice for both amateur and professional photographers. High resolution and excellent contrast stand out prominently. Color reproduction is vivid and lively, allowing your images to pop. Thanks to advanced technology, stray light interference gets minimized. Shadows remain deep, and overall exposure retains impressive detail. Constructed from robust and weatherproof metal, this lens is built to withstand challenging outdoor conditions. Dust and spray water remain outside, giving you peace of mind during shoots. Durability means this lens can accompany you on countless adventures without worry. Autofocus performance is another highlight. ZEISS designed this lens with a smooth, reliable autofocus system, which enhances your shooting experience. Whether shooting fast-moving subjects or delicate portraits, achieving focus feels effortless and fluid. While this lens excels, it could feel slightly larger compared to some competitors. However, the quality you receive justifies every millimeter of its size. You get a solid feel in your hands and an assurance that you're investing in a beautifully engineered product. What you'll love the most is how this lens enhances creativity. With its exceptional imaging capabilities, your photography gains a professional edge that turns heads. No other option on the market offers such a perfect balance of features. Explore how the ZEISS Batis 85mm f1.8 lens can elevate your photography today. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. Canon EOS R10. Capture stunning visuals with the Canon EOS R10. This mirrorless vlogging camera impresses with its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. You'll appreciate the vibrant, sharp photos and smooth videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. A standout feature, the Digic X image processor, elevates your photography game. By minimizing noise, it allows for continuous shooting, letting you focus on the shot without interruption. You'll never miss a moment again. Being compact and lightweight opens up a world of flexibility. Slip the EOS R10 into your bag and take it anywhere without feeling weighed down. If you're always on the go, this camera adapts to your active lifestyle. At 15 frames per second, high-speed continuous shooting captures dynamic moments perfectly. Whether it's a sports event or a moving pet, you'll get eyes-wide-open action shots, making this camera a fantastic choice for content creators. You'll love the smart and speedy autofocus technology of dual-pixel CMOS AF. It locks onto subjects quickly, ensuring every frame is crystal clear. No more blurry shots, even in fast-paced settings. On the video front, record uninterrupted for over 30 minutes, making it ideal for longer vlogs or events. For professionals or enthusiasts, optimized 4K video capture guarantees cinematic quality. While it lacks in-body stabilization, pairing it with a compatible lens can easily resolve that. What shines most about the EOS R10 is its versatility and user-friendly design. Photographers of all levels will find joy in its performance and features. Dive deeper into the world of the Canon EOS R10 and elevate your creative journey. Number 1. Sony SEL2470GM E-Mount. Unleash your creativity with the Sony SEL2470GM E-Mount camera lens. This full-frame standard zoom lens packs a punch with its stunning performance and remarkable features. Designed specifically for Sony cameras, it allows for seamless auto and manual focus selection with a handy focus hold button. Experience breathtaking imagery thanks to the ED and Super ED glass elements. These high-quality components ensure that every photo has outstanding texture and detail. When shooting with this lens, your images will burst with lifelike colors and clarity that stand out against competitors. Say goodbye to blurriness, as two aspherical elements work in harmony with an extremely precise XA element to minimize aberration. This lens excels at delivering sharp resolutions, making it ideal for both professional and enthusiastic photographers. What truly sets this lens apart is its 9-blade circular aperture. This feature creates a beautiful bokeh effect, enhancing the focus on your subject while adding a dreamy quality to the background. Your portraits will come alive with that soft and creamy blur that every photographer dreams of. Although the absence of image stabilization may cause concern, using a sturdy tripod often compensates for this. Many photographers appreciate having the choice to create dynamic shots without auto-stabilization, limiting their creative freedom. In summary, the Sony SEL2470GM offers unbeatable performance for anyone seeking a top-tier zoom lens. Don't miss your chance to elevate your photography with this exceptional lens. Check it out and see the difference for yourself. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.